Hello, my friends. My name is Ellen. Welcome back to my Southern Kitchen and the 7th episode of Ellen's Fall Baking Series 2025. Notice something different about me? I got a new hairstyle. I decided to get a flat iron. Isn't it pretty? Today I'm going to share with y'all some pumpkin spice lattes from scratch. And my friends, it is so simple and easy to make. The bomb.com delicious, and it is loaded with fresh pumpkin and spices. Everybody's going to love and enjoy this, and it will warm up your soul on a cozy fall day. And I'll post a complete recipe along with the instructions down in the description box below. And for more pumpkin recipes, check out my pumpkin recipes playlist and my previous video, sweet potato cinnamon rolls. I'll post a link to both of those down in the description box below. So grab your spices, your pumpkin, and get your coffee brewing sugar, because we're about to make some pumpkin spice latte magic in my Southern kitchen. Here we go. Alright, my friends, in my medium saucepan, I have my fire over medium-low heat. We're going to add in a half a cup of freshly hot brewed coffee. I'm using the original, or you can use decaf. Into our coffee, we're going to add in 2 cups of sweet milk, which is Southern talk for whole milk. Next, we're going to add in 1/4 of a cup of packed light brown sugar and our spices, 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, and 1/4 of a teaspoon each of ground nutmeg and ground cloves. And last but not least, our pumpkin. We're going to add in 1/4 of a cup of puree pumpkin. This is my homemade pumpkin puree. I'll post a link to that recipe down in the description box below. You can also use the canned pumpkin, but make sure you use pure pumpkin, not the pumpkin pie mix. Give it a stir until everything is well incorporated. And all we do is let it get hot, but don't boil it. And as soon as it gets hot, I'll bring you back. Alright, my friends, the latte's nice and hot. You can see the steam. That looks great. So now I cut my fire off. There's one more ingredient we got to add to it. 1½ teaspoons of pure vanilla extract. And stir it in. And that's it, my friends. How simple and easy was that? Our latte is done. I can smell the pumpkin and the spices. Smells amazing up in this kitchen. So now I'm about to pour it into my mug, and then we'll give it a taste. Okie dokie. Before we taste it, there's a couple of more things we got to add to it. Some whipped cream. And a dusting of ground cinnamon. Just like that. Gorgeous! And there you have it, my friends. Pumpkin spice latte. Doesn't that look good? Now it's time for the best part, the tasting. Here we go. And be very careful. It's super hot. You see the whipped cream is melting. Look at that. Cheers. Warm, comforting. I can taste the spices and the pumpkin. The coffee's nice and strong. I love it. Pumpkin spice and everything nice. This is incredible, my friends. Please give this recipe a try. This deserves another sip. Super creamy. Yum-o. Pumpkin spice latte-licious. My friends, many thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video recipe, please give it a thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. And for more Southern magic in my kitchen, hit that subscribe button and click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. Also, follow me on social media, Facebook, Ellen's Homemade Delights, and Instagram at Ellen Delights. And please send me an email, ellenshomemadedelights@gmail.com. I would love to see your beautiful creations with my recipes. And I'll see you next time. Let's eat and much love.